Again, sa blush on nakita kita. So this is the my blush on, the Cheek Color, the waterproof, the long-lasting 30 ml. Perfect pang eyeshadow, pang blush on o pang lipstick. So take note that this is pigmented. So gamay-gamayon before magdamo. So just that. Uh, that. They massage. Or pat that. Or tap. O, diba? Ano? Meron ta. I love this one is pigmented, easy to apply, blendable, very affordable, waterproof, smudge proof, long lasting. Tapos very affordable, guys. This is with and without, di ba? Perfect sabihin ni guys pang OOTD. Perfect kung pangalingon ng dagat guys since waterproof siya long lasting. Perfect sa summer. So I'm done. Sa gusto mag-try, check out to my basket sa Blue App. Just PM me guys. Look at that. Dream World Magic Blusher. Ta! Bye!